Welcome back to Tapestry of Thoughts, where we unravel the complexities of the human mind and explore how we can navigate life more meaningfully. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, social skills, and how to get better at connecting with people. The first thing to understand is this: none of us were born socially incapable. Humans by nature are highly social beings. A fascinating example is how a child can pick up language simply through observation. No one needs to sit them down and explain each word. Just by being exposed to conversations, the patterns and rhythms of speech become second nature. This ability to learn from observation is embedded deep within us. And just like language, social interactions are built on patterns and rules. So if you feel like your social skills are lacking, it's not because you're incapable. It's likely because you haven't had enough real-world practice. In modern times, much of our communication happens through screens, where the subtleties of conversation, like body language, tone, eye contact, are missing. These are key elements that help us understand each other in person. Without them, it's like learning only half a language. Texting is a very different experience from having a real conversation. When you send a message, you miss out on the facial expressions, the gestures, and even the energy between people. It's no wonder so many of us feel awkward when we try to communicate face-to-face. So if you feel nervous about meeting new people or having real conversations, it's not because you're bad at it. It's because you haven't had enough opportunities to practice in real life. The secret to improving your social skills? Simple. Practice. The more you interact with people in person, the better your brain will get at picking up the unspoken cues, patterns, and rules of social behavior. A great way to jumpstart this process is by setting a challenge for yourself. When I wanted to get better at socializing, I tried something called the 100 Interaction Challenge. The goal was to initiate 100 interactions in a month. They didn't have to be long or deep. Sometimes just asking someone for directions counted. And what I found was that even short, simple interactions helped me build confidence. Over time, those brief exchanges evolved into more meaningful conversations, and I saw a noticeable improvement in my social skills. Now think of it this way. Watching videos on social skills is helpful, but it's a lot like learning to ride a bike. You can watch all the tutorials in the world, but at the end of the day, the fastest way to learn is to hop on and start pedaling. Yes, you'll probably stumble a few times, but that's how you learn balance. It's the same with socializing. You might feel awkward at first, but the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. You'll learn what works, what doesn't, and how to navigate conversations with ease. So here's my challenge for you. Go out there and start talking to more people. Don't worry about making every conversation perfect. Just focus on engaging with others. The secret to mastering social connections isn't in watching videos or reading books. It's in giving your brain the practice it needs to understand the nuances of real conversation. If you found this insight helpful, consider exploring more topics on human interaction by checking out the other videos on this channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on self-improvement. See you next time.